Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Common Design and today I am doing my planner setup and prep for June. This is my Frankenplanner. If you haven't seen a Frankenplanner before, it's basically where you take notebooks, journals, planners and put like the current month all in one rather than have like separate planners. So in here I have my catch-all, which is a dashboard. I have my wellness, which is a vertical, and I have my journal, which is a dot grid. So I'm going to set up June, which is here. As you can see, I've already done some setup. I really need to get a new sticky for this, but if you've not been here before, I do redate my monthly so that it is a Monday start, because it drives me absolutely bonkers that the months start on a Sunday, but the weeks start on a Monday. Bonkers. So I need to put in, as you can see, I've got some things in already. I need to put in the 21st is a full moon, and the 6th, that here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a new moon. I'm going to do the same for my vertical, and that is my setup done. I have put a couple of things in already. I don't think I have any birthdays. Let me just go quickly check. It's another one of those months where I have no birthdays. We do have Father's Day, but I've got no birthdays. No birthdays, no anniversaries. They all come together or there's nothing. That's how my family apparently roll. That's how my family roll. Everything or nothing. So that is about it for the setup. Again, this is going to be a very short setup. What I'm going to do then is pre-plan how I'm going to decorate each of my pages. So if you don't decorative plan, that's fine. But this was May. I like to decorate my pages so that I've got something fun to look at, because then I actually use my planners. So again, decorating your planners is entirely optional. I like to do it, so that's what I'm going to do. I prefer to take this time right now and sit down and figure out what I'm going to decorate my pages with, because I have this, I have my wellness planner, and I have my journal. So I like to decorate them all differently. So what I think is for June, for my monthly, I'm going to do rainbow because it's Pride Month. And rainbow is also the Planner Stash Challenge for June, is to use rainbow, brights, or a sticker book beginning with J. But rainbow is also the color theme, I guess, for the month. So you could choose rainbow colors or actual rainbows and stuff like that. So I think I'm going to do rainbow here. I don't know what that will look like yet, but I'm thinking the mega brights, which will actually color for both of those, because it will be rainbow and brights. That's what I'm thinking for here. For my dashboard for the week of the 3rd, I'm thinking Best Friends Day is on the 8th. And I'm thinking of doing that with Squad here. And for these days, I do send out a list every month of these fun kind of holidays that you can choose to decorate your planners with. The link will be in the description to sign up, or if you're interested, just email me and I will give you the latest one. I did send it out already, but yeah, I usually send it out mid-month. All right, for the second week, the week of the 10th, I'm going to choose the Planner Stash Challenge again. And I'm going to use either bright type, again, sticker book is bright or rainbow, or the bold and bright. Is it bold and bright? It's something like that. Something like that. That's what I'm going to use there. For the week of the 17th, I like to think about what I'm going to use. I like a lot of decor on this. I'm going to do the 19th is Garfield Day. And I'm going to do a printable. I have some images for that. So I'm going to do Garfield Day. That will be fantastic. And then for the week of the 24th, we've got Pride. This is like Pride Week, Pride Day. I'm going to do Pride. And I'm going to use, obviously it's a planner stash challenge, and I'm going to use the Mega Holiday Essential book because it's got Pride. And there's quite a lot of decor in there and boxes. There should be enough there to do a spread with, right? So I might do that. I might bring in some other stuff, but that's what I'm thinking right now. And then that is it for that one. For my wellness, for the monthly, one of the other planner stash challenges is a theme each month. And for June, it is embracing your inner animal of jungle vibes, like prints, wild, that kind of thing. I think, see, now I see this, I'm thinking peaches. But I think I'm just going to cover this up and I'm just going to use either jungle vibes or wild plans or wild jungle, something along those lines. Something along those lines. All right, for the week of the 3rd, one of the fun holiday type things is it is cat month in June. I have one sheet left in this book. I have one sheet left. I think I want to try and use all of these in this spread. That is my goal, so I can use up this sticker book. I'm going to do cat month, and we're going to use Hobby Lobby one sheet. One sheet. Heck yes. For the week of the 10th, in my vertical, I'm going to do Father's Day, purely because what I've discovered, and this is going to be the Mega Holiday, what I discovered, I love this book. However, this is all that there is for Father's Day. That's all there is. So I tried using this in my dashboard and there's just not enough stuff. But for my wellness planner, because I use it very, very functionally and I need all of the space, all I need is a little bit of decor. So I'm going to use that in here and I'm going to combine it with the fitness and wellness type books. Because, you know, why would you not do that? All right, the week of the 17th, we've got, on the 20th, it's Productivity Day. And, well, wouldn't you know it, there's books called Productivity. So I'm going to use those. Then for the week of the 24th, I think I'm going to use the seasonal book. Wait, when was the solstice? Yeah, that's the 20th. Yeah, I think I'm going to do summer. It's because it's Sunglasses Day on the 27th. I think I'm going to do that. Sunglasses Day, and I'm going to use the seasonal. I'm also going to put like summer there. So I think that's what I'm going to do there. And again, I can change my mind if I want to. I don't have to keep to these. You know, it's all fluid. All right, in my journal, again, as you can see here, this is just dot grid. I don't care where I journal. It doesn't have to be on a particular day. I just come in and I journal. For this, and I don't do a monthly for this, I just have the divider. So for the first week, I'm going to use Reenie's Daisies. She has a printable. I've been dying to use them, and I think I'm going to use those. For the week of the 10th, I'm going to do the Planner Stash Challenge. And I'm going to use Jungle Vibes. I'm not actually positive, something like that. Or something similar. Jungle Vibes. I've got like a few of the jungle, like wild plans, like the wild animal print type things. There's a ton of that in the Happy Planner books. For the week of the 17th, I am going to do Rainforest Day, which is on the 22nd. Now, I could literally use the Jungle Vibes if I wanted to. What I'm going to do is use the Dollar Tree wall decals. I did a spread, I think it was like warm and fuzzy was the prompt or something. And I used the wall decals. They're kind of like a safari type thing, but there's a couple of, I think there's a gorilla, there's something, hang on, I can't remember what there's like jungle-y type things. I'm going to use that. There's a Jeep, I know that, so it kind of feels right, question mark. The other thing that I have, if I wanted to, is I have literal like floral type things that are also jungle-y, so I could use those. We shall see. Then for the week of the 24th, if you knew this was coming, you'll know this was coming, but the 26th, it is 6/26, which means it's Stitch Day. And I have some stickers that I bought from Amazon for that, and I'm going to combine them with probably other stickers, but that, I think, is my setup. Again, I can change my mind. I don't have to stay with these themes, and the ones that I'm probably most concerned with is this, not using jungle vibes here and then doing the same kind of vibe here. So I may switch these. We'll see. And maybe I might put something here. Hang on. Or the solstice, because it's the first day of summer there. Or the solstice. So there's that. That's it. Okay, done. It's probably one of the quickest setups that I've done. But yes, if you like to decorate, take the time to pre-plan what you're going to use. 1, it helps you use stickers. 2, it takes away your decision fatigue. And 3, it just helps you get the challenges and stuff like that done. It helps you rotate your stickers. It helps your planners be a bit more themed and stuff like that. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye! And remember, if you're interested in finding out these themes ahead of time, sign up. The link is in the description, and I send out the list around the mid-month.